If you have a cavity, today there are several ways to restore your tooth so that it's almost as good as new. Your dentist will usually use one of three kinds of filling material: glass ionomer, composite resin, or amalgam. Each material has different strengths and weaknesses. Amalgam is a mixture of silver alloys and mercury. It's nice and soft when freshly mixed, but hardens over several hours. Because amalgam doesn't stick to the tooth, small grooves have to be made in the cavity to keep it in place. This filling lasts for a long time because it wears at about the same rate as the teeth around it, but its grey colour makes it look unattractive. Composite resin is a plastic which contains silica particles. It's attractive because it's the same colour as your teeth and bonds strongly to tooth enamel. It lasts well too, but it can be prone to leakage around the edges because it shrinks slightly when it sets, especially with big restorations. Glass ionomer also looks good. It's made of tiny glass particles that stick well to dentine and form a really good seal. The only drawback with glass ionomer fillings is that they don't wear very well, so you can't put them in areas that regularly grind against other teeth. But no matter what filling material you choose, the preparation is roughly the same. After anesthetizing the tooth, the dentist goes to work with a high-speed handpiece. The aim is to remove all the enamel that has been undermined by tooth decay. Then the infected dentine is removed with a slow-speed handpiece. It's important that all the tooth decay is removed before the filling is inserted. That's why the dentist uses a probe to check the health of the dentine and sometimes uses a dye to show up any remaining decay. Now a protective lining is placed in the cavity. This is to shield the pulp of the tooth from any new bacteria and to minimize the sensitivity of the nerves nearby. At this stage, the dentist may choose to place a stainless steel or plastic matrix band around the tooth to keep the filling material in place. Now the cavity can be filled with amalgam, composite resin, or glass ionomer. At this stage, the dentist needs to do a little sculpture, carving the material so it becomes adjusted for your bite. Just what filling materials used will depend on whether it will be visible and how much pressure you'll put on it when you chew. Working together, you and your dentist will be able to restore your teeth in the way that feels best for you.